So when you lie down
Oh,
completely...
that's it.
Yeah.
Give it back, give it back.
Oh man, I love this chair. Really.
Oh, I got it! Yeah!
We'll be living up the good life, good life. Yeah, we'll be living up the good life, life.
Yo, what's up? This is Sheikh Haikal,
This is Annabelle Francis.
and this is Build It My Way.
Sleeping outside.
This is it. You're here with us, so welcome down to Build It.
My way.
Whatever, man. Every show, I never get a chance to say the my way, but I'm having great sleep, guys. So I don't get angry the next day. And I'm calm, I'm cool, and I'm collected. So thank you very much to the one and only.
LMG. So let us take you through LMG. We're all about mattresses today. It's really about that good quality sleep. And to tell us a little bit more about that, please let's bring on Elvin from LMG.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
So
Hi.
Elvin, he's like the expert in giving you like the best sleep experience.
To get a good sleep, you need to understand the kind of mattress that you're going to get. Okay, first of all, we have Van Voss here. Van Voss is an American brand with 133 years of history. The mattresses are extremely comfortable.
130 years behind them. That's credibility right there.
The second brand that we have here is Slimatics. Alright, it's Australian brand. It has no methylene chloride at all. Methylene chloride is actually hazardous to kids, pregnant ladies, or even adults with medical conditions. Dreamland uses springs which are heat tempered, so they are extremely strong. Dreamland uses Mira Coil technology. It's patented in the US, so this spring system is actually extremely firm. It gives you the best support that you would want to look for.
Okay, we're gonna go check it out now, right? Let's go.
Okay.
This is the Cairo bed that you were talking about.
That's right, that's right. This is one of the strongest bed that you could find in our showroom. Now, try this mattress and it's going to back you up totally. It has very high density foam but lesser memory foam.
So basically a firm mattress that does not conform to your body but rather supports it better.
That's right.
I wouldn't want any foam to have a memory that they just put up with me. The foam will be very angry. It's better if the foam forgets. After I lie down, forget about it, foam. Please don't hold grudges. Forgive me. Let's carry on for a better future.
So when you lie down completely,
that's it.
yeah, your weight gets evenly distributed.
Oh man.
Good night. Turn the lights down low.
Oh, very nice, Abel.
We're gonna leave Heikel there, so he obviously has chosen his bed.
Slimatics, this model is one of the coolest mattresses around in the market.
Ooh, it's a cool touch.
Alright, this mattress will actually make you sleep longer, sleep better. Even if you don't have the aircon on, this mattress is still going to feel cool.
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh,
So
I
you're
can
back onto the
imagine.
mattress
Yeah, I'm
again.
back onto this. But I'm very excited about your next one.
Alright?
Oh, I'm in love with this one. Ah!
Yeah, this is one of our most popular mattress. It uses the best latex and memory foam in its mattresses.
So strong springs, long lasting, totally plush experience because of the cushion top.
That's right.
Guys, I'm not even kidding you. This bed makes you feel like you're on holiday 24/7. So this gives you the ultimate sleep experience. A bed for every member of the family. Let's go back to Heikel and see whether...
Let's go.
Yes, let's see what's happening there. Heikel!
Wow, the firmness of this one
Okay,
is solid, man.
Come.
Wow. Wow, bro. LMG got this one, man.
If I like lush and you like firm, what do we do?
I think this is it, lah, Belle. Yeah, after 22 years of marriage.
Because of Elvin and his luxury bed. I think that's really important to tell everybody that Elvin does only luxury beds. After you sorted your husband that you're gonna sleep with the mattress with, you also need to have the pillows. So this is the LMG pillow.
LMG pillows are actually made up of microfiber. When we release the air from this bag here, it's going to blow up like this, okay? We supply these pillows to hotels, like 5-star hotels in Singapore.
You know what makes this look lush? this,
The lining.
the lining.
I love it. It is a give it back, give it back. Absolutely amazing.
that's
It's really, really luxurious.
Right, man. So great beds, great pillows. So I'll come on now to LMG. Thank you, LMG. Thank you, Alvin.
Thank you so
Alvin.
much.
So there's so many mattresses for you to choose from.
But so little time to sleep on all of them.
But the important thing is, Elvin is somebody that knows his stuff. He's been in the business for so long.
Say what you gotta say. Tell them all your issues. Tell them what you got. Any problems, hard bed, soft bed, they got it all.
It really is like going to a doctor and you're being diagnosed because you need the correct, perfect mattress for you.
With good sleep, you feel blessed.
Speaking of blessed,
Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about none other than the one and only
Bless Brothers.
Great story behind it. Beautiful family, good, luxurious furniture, affordable. Just check this out and you know what we're talking about. Bless Brothers!
What I love about Bless Brothers is like all the pieces are so special and it looks so cozy. Every piece tells a story. So I think that's what we are looking for in our home.
Let's
check it
go.
out. Right, let's go.
Bless Brothers. We're Bless Brothers. And we're here with the man himself, none other than Mr. Manoj.
Hey guys, thanks for coming back to Bless Brothers.
Why Bless Brothers?
I have two beautiful kids. My first son was adopted, second one conceived. So it's a beautiful story about their journey. We started furniture business. My wife and I decided, why not Bless Brothers? Because we've been blessed with two boys. So the journey began, Bless Brothers.
What a beautiful
Wow.
story. So tell us, Manoj, how did Bless Brothers come about?
I had my corporate job. I was working the usual 9 to 6, 9 to 10. And
Boring.
then I decided, exactly, this isn't my cup of tea. So I told my wife, I said, look, I really want to start. And I've always had passion for furniture. It's a big risk because you've got two boys and you don't know exactly what's going to happen. So she was supporting me. And I went on gallivanting around the world, getting the most beautiful handcrafted pieces to be placed in our showroom at Bless Brothers and never looked back since then.
And that's what it's all about Bless Brothers. It's affordable luxury.
Absolutely. So we go with the tagline, luxurious furniture at affordable prices. So we have furnitures coming in from Malaysia, and then we have Indonesia, China, Turkey, India. We started looking at certain productions from Poland. So there are some models that you can actually choose whether you want a different color fabric or you want to change it to leather. That's definitely possible.
That sounds so
you
amazing
go.
already. Let's go and choose our furniture, Heiko. Do you think an L shape like this would fit into like a regular HDB flat?
Definitely. In fact, I would say majority of our clients are actually HDB homeowners, right? So what they're looking for today is something really luxurious, really comfortable. With such an L shape, you can actually have 5 to 6 people sitting
Exactly.
in it.
It's
right?
like a one piece, but you can fit more people.
Exactly.
And most of your sofas come with the pillows.
Absolutely. Let's say if you select this piece is going to come with the entire set.
Are you kidding me?
Everything. So we eliminate the headache of you going to find which one would actually match the sofa.
This is fabric?
Absolutely.
Oh, it feels beautiful. It has that leather feel
Exactly.
and finishing.
And the best part is you can unzip all the covers and send it for dry cleaning.
Oh my god.
So there you go, you can unzip and the cover comes off really easily. The inserts can be changed. So after a few years, if you decide you want it firmer, you want it softer, then you can come back to us or you can go to local upholstery guys and get it done.
Yeah, so come back here anytime and they'll take care of you even after you've purchased your furniture.
Definitely.
And how much would a piece like this cost?
What would you think?
Maybe about 3,000?
No, 2,199.
2,000?
So it's 2,199 including delivery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so excited now. A lot of the designs now, especially for 2022, is all very circular,
Yes.
right?
So this is a Handset 3-seater sofa. Very, very comfortable.
Yes.
Made from luxurious high-end fabric. We have it available now in a luxurious green and a blue. And the best thing is, we have it in stocks. If you come in and you say you want a piece like this, we can deliver within the next 3 days.
Oh my gosh, perfect.
For all you men out there, check this out.
Our luxurious 3-seater Wiltshire Chesterfield sofa.
Bless Brothers has made it so simple. For those of you who don't agree with this color, Bless Brothers in the house, they've sorted us out. Check this out. Now, all these colors are available.
Absolutely. All these are the different types of leather. One of my personal favorites, stress leather. Watch this part.
Yeah.
So the more you use it, the more vintage, the more rustic it will look.
It ages with you.
Yes, that's right.
Wow.
And then of course you've got the more luxurious ones, the semi-aniline leather.
Ooh, very nice. Oh man, I love this chair. Really. Come on down to Bless Brothers. Check this out yourself. No regrets. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just been blessed by Bless Brothers.
Yes. So the entire series, you have seen us sitting down on this couch, and
Bless
it's
Brothers.
all by Bless Brothers, and it's all these pillows, and
Bless
it's,
Brothers.
if it can take Heikel's weight,
It can
means
take anybody's weight.
not saying anything.
Yeah, I say it for you. Thank you very much, Bless Brothers. We are very grateful to be blessed by you.
This next person is Stacy, and she has come up with Piccolo. What has happened is we have 3 kids, but we have only 3 rooms. To create another room, what we've done is we've extended a wall, and it's very seamless, and it makes the house longer. And so we went to Piccolo to pick out furniture for our child. Check it out.
Let me welcome everybody to Piccolo House.
Yes! I love Piccolo House.
It's for the children.
Yes. We were looking for something that is steady, good quality. It has to gel nicely with our house. And I saw the designs at Piccolo House. I was like, okay, I'm coming here to check it out.
Eh,
Nice?
strong.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Except maybe not pink curtains. This is my kampong house. I stay outside though.
See, storage needs.
Only at Piccolo can I find a chair that sits on me. Happy? Phew, check this out. Okay. Oh, I got it. Yeah! And that was it. Thank you very much, Stacy, for having us at Piccolo. The design of the bed on this video was by Stacy herself. Very nice.
So the important thing about choosing furniture is you got to really look into the quality, not just the price point again, and the people behind the furniture. So these are family businesses, independent businesses, which to them, quality of a few pieces is far better than mass pieces. And that's what we got from all 3 of our choices, LMG, Bless Brothers, and Piccolo. And we are big supporters of Singapore brands, so go support them.
We also love the story behind the brand, and we appreciate that very much because it speaks loads of your brand and of you. So thank you very much, with love from all of us. And again, this is Build It
My way.